Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 17th algorithm video. In this task we are given an alphanumeric string and we need to extract the maximum number from it. So as you can see, there are three numbers here: 100, 564 and 365. Now if I use the for loop for I in alphanumeric string, and if I print I, so you can see that the digits are coming separately: 1, 0, 0. It is not coming as 100. Similarly, it is not coming out as 564. It is coming out as 564 separately. So we need to concatenate the string characters together whenever we find numbers. So for this purpose, I have made a blank string number, and I have made a blank list of numbers. Then I would iterate through the alphanumeric string for I in alphanumeric string. If I is digit is basically a function of Python which checks whether the character coming from the string is a digit or not. If it is a digit, then I would concatenate that I into the string number. Else, for example, the first character 1 is concatenated into string number. The second character is also a digit, it is concatenated into the string number. Third character is also concatenated to the string number. However, the next character k is not a digit, it would go into the else loop. So for we would put a condition: if string number is not blank. In this case it is not blank because string number contains three string characters 1, 0, 0. Then we would append the string characters into the list numbers by changing into an integer, and I would again make the string number blank. I would make it blank again because after KLH there is another number 564. So if I don't make it blank, 100 would be concatenated with 564. So the next digit we would get is 100, 564. We do not want to do that. We want to make the string number blank again, so that when we find another digit, so the string number which is blank again would concatenate 564 together. So we would get the number 564 instead of 100, 564. Else, if the string number is blank, for example in case of KLH it is blank, so we would continue with the next iteration. Now if I print list number, you see we get 100, 564 and 365, but there is a problem. We have not been successful in adding the last digit of alphanumeric string into the list numbers. So we need to check whether the last number has been processed or not in our coding. So we do if string number is not blank, so I would append that number into the list numbers. Int of string number. Now I print list number. So we have successfully appended 7 digit into the list numbers also. Now we need to find a maximum number from this list. If list number is not blank, then maximum number is equal to max list number. Else, if the list is blank, we print there are no numbers in the alphanumeric string. As you can see, The maximum number from this list is 564. Now if I change the alphanumeric string to having no numbers, for example A, B, C, D, E, F, so the list we get is a blank one, and the print statement is that there are no numbers in the alphanumeric string. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.